Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Paylocity for year-end payroll tax filings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Paylocity for year-end payroll tax filings, begin by accessing the official Paylocity website. Log into your Paylocity account using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Resources section located in the main menu. In the Resources section, look for the Product Downloads option. Click on Product Downloads to access the latest software versions. Find the download link for the Paylocity year-end payroll tax filing module. Click on the download link to start downloading the installation file. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the software. When prompted, choose the installation location on your computer or accept the default location. After selecting the location, click Install to initiate the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. This may take a few moments. Once the installation is finished, you will see a confirmation message. Click Finish to close the installation window. Next, open the newly installed Paylocity software. If necessary, log in again using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the year-end payroll tax filing module within the software. Review the setup options to ensure everything is configured correctly. Input any required company and employee information as needed. Once all information is entered, run a test payroll to confirm accuracy. After verifying the test payroll, proceed with filing your year-end taxes. Finally, back up all payroll data to ensure compliance and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.